se on kehittyy Toijalan keskipiste.
Today is the 16th of April 2022. We have Valtakuja 3 here in Toijala, Akaa, Finland. 6 floors. Let's ride the elevator. This is completely different with MB8 fixtures and still original. Today, close to this, we have 2 more buildings with van motors from 1990 that will probably finish very late. It was built in 1983, turning 40 years old in next year. 2023 is the number SH 62969, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2003. I don't think it has memory. These workers
We'll see. It might be burned out.
Oh, it says the year. Yeah.
On the door?
I want to see it.
Okay, we can check that on the top.
And we can do a silent ride. A second ride.
Yeah, might have DC brakes here. Let's listen to it.
Yeah, sounds nice.
Yeah, there's the year.
Yeah.
What year is it?
1983.
Yeah.
I think it has memories.
Yeah.
But the lights don't work. They're not in use.
Yeah.
Okay. You can test to press 5 if it has full memory.
Yeah.
Let's check it.
It's always worth to do it.
Mm. That's the blue logo.
Yeah. Inspektiivipakkivaisuus. Meitä on siis urakointi.
No, that's not full memory.
Yeah.
But you can press. Probably the other buildings, 2 buildings, were finished in late 1990. I meant early 1990, this says late 1990.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. The fornicator we can see what was.
Listen it up.
The light is working a little bit.
Yeah.
It's almost broken. It's a bit dark here.
Yeah.
A little bit too dark. We should add another light here.
Or we can turn it on.
Yeah.
Now this is a bit better.
That's